As you can see, there is no makeup in there. I love you guys. Until next time, be fresh, be fierce. Glam Girl out. Mwah.
I know it's been a while now. You're taking love in parts I've never heard of. I'm trying to figure out how I can show you now how I've been running out of things to.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas day 4, and today we're going to do a cleaning video about how I get my makeup brushes so clean. Look at that, no makeup in between. So I'm starting out with this Pink Peach Blossom it's like a hand soap, and it's from it is a hand soap from Bath and Body Works, you guys. And this was my first time using it. Usually if you guys watched my makeup cleaning videos from before, like my makeup brush cleaning stuff, I actually use the soaps that they provide you in hotels, and I just take them home with me because you guys, I feel like nothing got them cleaner than that soap. But I actually really wanted to try this one just to see, and you guys, it got my brushes so clean so fast, and I'm just like so excited. So anyway, that pad right there, I got that from like Walmart like 2 years ago, and it was just like, I think on the dish aisle, and I don't know what exactly you're supposed to clean with it, but you definitely need a scrubby type of something to clean your brushes off with. So basically I was just wetting my brushes and just doing that, and you'll see it, all the dirt falling off and just all the caked up makeup and everything just falling off in the sink. So anyway, I did that, and then I rinsed them with cool water. So I kind of I find the dirt doesn't stain into the product when you use like cool, like lukewarm water or whatnot. So I'm just doing that over and over again. And you guys, it's gonna make my brushes smell good. I just know it. I just love that scent. So without further ado, you guys, I am going to put on some relaxing music or turn it up and let you guys watch me get my makeup brushes clean. And I hope it motivates you to do yours, so that way you're not putting bacteria on your face or having random breakouts for no reason, and we could keep our skin beautiful while having fun. Oh yeah, last thing, the handles of my brushes are definitely dirty, but I found that you can't wash the handles of your brushes because the water will get down inside of the brushes and make you break them. And I'm already rough on my brushes. You'll see I break like 2 of them. It always happens. I always screw my brushes up. But how you fix that is you go back and you take a cotton pad and some alcohol, and it'll rub all of the makeup stains right back off. So yeah.
But you can't be better. This kind is
But you get a bit
Alright, you guys, so these are the finished products of my brushes. They're all squeaky clean. And so yeah, all I gotta do is go get the black hair glue that I use for my lashes off the handles and clean them with alcohol for the rest of the dirt off. And as you can see, there is no makeup in there. I love you guys. Until next time, be fresh, be fierce. Glam Girl out. Mwah.